So all you need for this painting is, I have burnt umber, and I have cad red, and I have cad yellow, and I have titanium white, and I also have some ultramarine blue. This one's Windsor blue, but ultramarine blue is much better. So, and I also have some nice brushes for you to use, and this will make your painting a lot simpler. And then we have a flat synthetic brush, chiseled edge, and I have a flat a Filbert brush, which is chiseled edge and synthetic, and I also have a liner brush, and a long one and a short one. You need a couple of different brushes just in case some don't work out for you, so it's nice to have a few extra brushes around. And that's about it for the brushes. When we come up with something else, I'll guide you along. Kind of hat. Some red for the hat. A little bit of white. Pink it up a little bit. And lighten it up. Just scrub it on until it disappears. So you can leave some shadows. There we go, see? A little bit here too. Okay, that's better. It's nice and bright. I'm gonna fluff up the hat. Some white. Just gonna tap at this. Let some of that blue come through. Just put pure white on there, but I'm jumping over some of the blues. Let it come through there. Just using the chiseled edge to get that nice little fluffy look. A little bit of white, a little bit of white light beige. I'll touch up a few areas here. Let's get something done with those leaves. Put some yellow on one side of your brush and green on the other. And then we'll just make a little leaf. Yellow on one side, green on the other. And then we'll make outside. It can be on the inside too if you want it. So what I'm trying to do is put green on one side and yellow on the other. And I'm going to touch. Let's put one right here. The yellow side out, inside or outside. I'll touch, pull, and lift and twist. Okay? So green and yellow. Touch, pull, lift, and twist. Well, you can do whatever way is easy for you. Don't worry about it. That's just what I'm showing you. I thought it'd be easy. Touch, pull, lift, and twist. Okay, yellow. Touch, pull, lift, twist. Like I say, if you find this hard, you do it whatever way you find it easy. I'm just touching my brush down on the chiseled edge. I'm pushing down, pushing, pushing, pushing. Then I'm pulling, and then I'm lifting, and I'm twisting. And that's what I get. Maybe I should have one over here. Touch and lift. Touch and touch, pull, 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 lift. Yeah, that's alright. Seemed like a little beer over there, didn't it? And now, ladies and gentlemen, we're almost finished. So I'm going to put a little highlight of yellow and white on my branches here. It's a bit too much. I'm going to add a bit brown. Burnt sienna. Just leave the bottom dark for that shadow. It's a very dark color. I just put a little bit more in here. I'll see about this one over here. So you can change it up. Now a little bit of yellow and white. Just scrape a little bit out. That looks good. We'll do that dark green with some blue. Put some veins in here. See how all these little details brings it to life. Cute. Now, I think I'm just going to add a little bit more snow, and that will be the end of it, I think. I'll have to fix their beaks, that's right, too. So a dark color for the beak, blue and brown. And we will a bit of white to highlight it. I think that's alright. What do you think? Maybe I need to darken the top of that a little bit more. I think I did enough picking. But I do want to add a little bit more snow. So add some bigger ones. Or they can be stars, whatever you think. You can put snow on them if you want to, but I'm going to leave that for now. Big bits of snow. Or it could be stars. Snow or stars, whatever you want. I think that will do. I stand back and look at it, and then I just see if there's any little touch-ups I want to do, and just little tiny things I think might enhance the painting. You don't want to do too much, because if you do too much, something could get messed up, and then you end up having to do a lot of it over again. So just pick a few little spots here and there for highlights, and then throw your brush down and say, I'm not going to touch it anymore. Well, there it is, our cute little Christmas owls. So I'd like for you to try this one, and Merry Christmas to everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy painting, everybody, and Merry Christmas. Bye.